Hello, my YouTube friends. Dave Wilson here. Well, I think I've got the exchange working. So what I'm trying to do now is print more parts so that I can um, modify another printer for the same system. So I have to print the Omnidrop in reverse, or a mirror image. So you can see this one, the manual feed wheel is on the right, the extruder motor is on the left. On the normal setup, it's just extruder motors on the right and the feed wheels on the left. So I've got this one printing the mounting parts. This one's printing some fans, and this is very interesting material. It's HIPS. It's made from recycled solo cups, but it prints very unusual temperatures. Bed temperature 255 and the build plate 105. So I've had pretty good luck with those temperatures before. We'll see how this turns out. But it's a really nice material. It's usually used for support material that's water soluble. But it's a nice strong print, sort of like nylon. So I'm trying that. I've used it before. And then this one is printing the main body, which I've had some difficulty with. It's got to be printed at 0.25 nozzle size, and it's just a tough print to get just right. And I've had some failures. Tried to use a glue shield to keep grass off of it, and that caused some problems in that there's two or three different processes, and I had to use glue shield at different dimensions from the side, and that failed. So I'm trying again. But that's where I'm at with the exchange. Oh, and I've also got my rat rig. So I'm trying to get the exchange going so I can start working on the rat rig kit. But I've got plenty of projects, and it's a mess down here. But I just don't have time to do everything. Don't know what I did when I worked. Well, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, I'm really excited about the exchange, getting it going in the rat rig. So see you soon, and thanks for watching.